So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and reset Bank of America password or online ID. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, as you can see, I've already opened up my Bank of America application. Now, once you've opened your Bank of America application and clicked on login, this is the page you're going to be headed into. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on forgot user ID/password. That is right below the login button, as you can see. And it's going to take a little time to load up. And as you can see, it's going to ask you for the last 6 digits of your card or your account number. Go ahead and enter that on the top, and then simply go ahead and enter your SSN, which is your social security number, or tax ID or TIN on the bottom right over here. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on continue. They're going to send you a verification code to the mobile number that is associated. And once you've done that, they're going to ask you to go ahead and help you create a new password. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.